I would like to introduce you my new man in my life. Good morning, guys. Take 2B. Good morning, guys. Kabalo mo sa akong news karon. Nag-snow sa gawas. Yeah! Hey! So, I'm gonna go outside and show you how it looks since over there in the Philippines we are not fortunate to experience the snow. So, yeah, let's go. Oh no. Pa. Okay, tugnaw kay bay. Way pagkapurma. Huy, tugnaw kay sa nahong ay gihahak. Ignorante ba kay ko, guys. Sumugawas-gawas ta kay basing mo na ning last nga snow. I think we're expecting 8 inches today, so it's not that bad, but still. Change outfit sa ta, guys. Kaya murag tuplaw kayo, dili siya enough ang akong isuot. Ha! Ha! Wapag yapon. So, dili ko hunting ha. Di ako sa gos, may mo kog snowman. So, hi to my snowman. So, ready na mo, guys sa kuwang snowman. Katong kuan kay murag temporary pamanto kay dili ko sure. So karon mo na ni akong final snowman. Charan! Cheng nyeng nyeng nyeng. So di ba bongga? Abot kamot baka ni or pako snowman nga murag angel nga basta kamo na bahala unsay pangalan ninyo ani. Ang importante ay yung mahalaga, di ba? Alright, guys, I'm done making messy in here. Sulod na ta, guys, kaya marag tugnaw na gid kaayo. Okay, back to reality. So, mo tong nahitabo karong adlaw, nag-snow ni gawas og naghimong snowman. It is a dream come true nga na ako dani nag-enjoy sa snow, pero ang struggle lang yun, guys, is ang katugnaw. So guys, I hope nga giganahan mo sa kong snowman. That was really my first time to make. Mura siya bear, mura siya panda, mura siya angel snowman. Anyway, guys, I hope you will like the video that I made today. I hope you are having fun watching it. And it would be nice if you subscribe my YouTube. I just really don't know how to start this, but I'm very thankful that I will be able to enjoy the life that I have right now. So yeah guys, this is gonna be the end for today, and see ya.